Three.
Okay, hello everybody. This is our first time to have a YouTube channel. So this is my daughter, Sachi. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so we're opening a toy for Sachi. Okay, so simulan na natin. Okay, so here's the toy. The deluxe cash register. Okay, so kailangan na natin buksan to para malaro na niya. Okay? Alright. Okay. So, umpisahan natin. Okay, so we're gonna cut. Okay? So, kakat natin, Sachi. Okay? Alright, so here we go. So, we're gonna open this one here. Oh, nahulog. Here. Okay. Oh, okay. Dali lang, Sachi.
Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna open here. Oh, okay. Forgot this. Sachi, your hand.
Yay!
Okay. How, okay ba yung toys mo? Nagustuhan mo ba? Do you like it?
Yes!
Okay. Wow.
Wow. Amazing.
So, okay. There's a lot of tape. Sorry.
Shall we?
Okay, so here we go. Ayan. Move na natin yun. Alright. So we're gonna set aside the box. So here we go.
Sorry.
Okay, so Sachi. So here. I'm gonna take this off. Alam mo, marami talagang mga lock for these boxes. There you go. See? There's a lot of box. Yung lock. So you have to twist. So para matanggal natin. Okay, so natanggal na natin. So here we go. Ayan. So ito, so naka-tape siya. So tatanggalin lang natin. Okay. So tatabi natin to. Okay. Sachi, excited for your toy?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay. So, step aside na natin yan.
Okay.
Okay. So, ito guys, meron siyang like a $10 bill and then a credit card and also the item, no? Para kung for example, bibili ka, lalagay mo dito sa basket. Tapos meron siyang like dali lang ha. There's a lot of cheap tape. Okay, tatanggalin lang natin.
It's empty.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Sachi, don't open.
Okay, here we go. Oh my god, there's a lot of tape. Okay, so, nako, alam mo na kagad sa nilalagay yung mga coins. Okay, so this is 10. Ito 10, okay? Ito naman yung item. Ito naman yung... Okay, so ito guys. Here we go. So, ito yung touch screen. Okay, touch screen.
More.
Ano ba to?
Happy.
Okay.
Go here.
Yes, Hachi. Wait, don't bro, don't, wait lang. Yeah. There you go. Alright, so simulan natin ngayon ang review. So, ayan lang guys. Okay. So there's like a 20 bill. Okay. So like 25 and then 10s. Okay. So dito ilalagay yung pera sa loob. Wait, Sachi. Okay. Okay, there you go. Lalagyan natin yung pera dyan. Okay, we're gonna put the money here.
Your money.
Yeah, there. Okay, and then the 10 here.
Thank you.
Okay, 20 and then the 10.
Hey!
And then the cards. The card here. Inside. Ready? So we're gonna close.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ready? Go!
Okay. So guys, ito yung basket for the item.
Guys,
Pagka mag-grocery ka.
Oh,
And then meron din siyang
more.
mic. And then, okay, to turn on lang natin.
Okay.
Sige, naka-on na yun yan, no?
Okay.
And then, so ito yung scan touch. Yan. So, kunyari, isa-scan mo lang ng ganyan. Okay? Ayan.
It's heavy.
Okay? So, ngayon, pagka magbabayad ka,
Zero.
meron siyang mga sounds, no? Like,
Just here.
yan, 350 yung ice cream. 275 yung milk. Tapos meron din siya sinasabi na, yan, hello. Thank you. Tapos yung credit card.
Hey.
Tapos pagka magbabayad ka na, like pipindutin nyo lang to. Yung sign dyan. There you go. Okay.
Here you go.
And then yung mga like
Here you
ice
go.
cream and also the meat. Yan yung meat. There's bread and then meron din fish.
Here.
Okay?
Try.
So, okay, so ayan na yung aking review for today. And so yeah, the name of the item is gonna be the deluxe cash register. Okay, and yun. So thank you for watching. And this is our first time, and marami pa kaming i-review, like mga like figures and everything, and like yung mga figures ko, and siguro abangan ninyo. And if you like the channel, no, please like, and then if you subscribe my channel, and thank you very much, and God bless. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Say Sachi, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, okay.